Okay, right. Good morning, welcome to the welding class. Okay, so today is just the first welding class, or proper welding class. I'm going to just go through the equipment that you're going to use, and then I'm going to go through and demonstrate to you using the projector, all the different pointers, how to weld, that sort of thing. Okay, right. So what we want to do firstly is, what do we need in order to weld? What equipment do we need? I think the first primary focus is our safety gear that we have to use. Safety gear, so I'm all nicely dressed up in my uniform, my safety gear. I have an overall on, okay? Right, so you have to remove all your jewelry, alright? You've got rings and things, necklaces and that, all this stuff conducts heat and you're going to burn yourself if something does happen, and you just need to have clean arms, no rings, no necklaces, okay? And safety glasses. Okay, so we have the different types of safety glasses. You can use safety goggles like this one here, or else you get a normal pair of safety glasses that look similar to this, but it's just a little bit bigger. Okay, so safety glasses, you've got that in hand. And more importantly is, when you're dealing with metal, you need a pair of gloves. Why? Because it gets hot. Any sort of friction, and metals are very good conductor of heat. Okay, so you need to get a nice pair of gloves to work with when you're working with metal. This came with the set that you bought, came like a complete set. This is quite a nice one, it's got pigskin. Okay, pigskin's nice and soft and very durable. Right, but basically, normally leather gloves like this work pretty well when you're dealing with metals. Okay, so you have gloves, goggles. My friend over there, JP, I don't have my safety boots on, but safety boots are like a boot that has got a metal toe on it. Okay, so in case when you're working with metal, something falls on top of it, can just not crush your toes. Okay, so it's called safety boots. So let's just recap on that. Your head, you need glasses or goggles, an overall. Okay, I'm using a safety vest, because it just looks pretty. It's not really necessary, okay? It just really looks good on me. The colors look good, so I feel good, okay? Then you need your gloves, all right? And then your safety boots, okay? So an overall is nice and durable. They're very, very flat, and they have all the zips hidden away, okay? So if you have something like this, a metal ember touches that, or this zip will heat up, okay? And it will burn you, all right? Necklaces, got something that will burn you. Alright, metal is a very good conductor of heat, especially using a lot of friction. Okay, so let's go through the equipment that you do. The first thing is your welder. Alright, so on your welder, this is just a normal arc welding. I'm going to only teach arc welding. I'm not going to go into carbon welding or CO2 welding, MIG welding. Okay, I'm going to teach you the absolute basics on how to use a arc welder. Okay, so on your arc welder, there's your AC resistor, the actual thing. There's different settings on it. I'll explain to you now how that works. And it always has a earth. You need to earth it, okay? An earth that you clamp onto the metal that you're going to be welding. Okay?